Hi, my name is Martin, and today I will show you 3 AI news, 2 AI tools, and 1 AI art. Ready? Let's go! Gert-Jan Oskam is a Dutchman who once was left unable to walk due to a cycling accident. He's now getting better thanks to a cutting-edge AI. With a mind-boggling implants, his brain and spinal cord are connected. When he thinks of taking a step, a stimulation kicks in and he's back on his feet. Unbelievable, right? This breakthrough took years of research and the brilliance of the French neuroscientist Grégoire Courtine, maybe I mispronounced it, I'm sorry, who worked over the invention for more than 10 years. It's not just a gadget, but a marvel of human innovation. It took Oskam 6 months of training to regain some of the sensory perception and motoric skills he had lost, but now he's able to walk again. So as we just saw, AI and humans can collaborate, but can I be better than humans in intensive care units? At the Medical University of Vienna in Austria, the researchers have achieved a remarkable feat. So they trained the AI to examine time-varying patient conditions and provide treatment suggestions, surpassing the quality of human decisions. By using extensive data from intensive care units, this AI analyzes patient progress and becomes a planning agent. It's rewarded for positive outcomes and punished for deteriorations. This approach maximizes the probability of success and ultimately improving the patient's care. Impressively, the AI already outperforms humans. In the case of sepsis, for example, which is a leading cause of death in intensive care, the AI strategy achieved 88% cure rate, which was an increase of around 3%. This breakthrough offers hope for enhancing diagnosis and treatment in critical cases. However, with great power comes important questions. The legal implications of relying on AI in medical decisions need careful consideration. Consider who bears liability for mistakes and what happens when the AI is right, but humans choose a different path, for example. 47% of Americans have used ChatGPT for stock recommendations. This is according to a survey of The Motley Fool. A whopping 47% of Americans use ChatGPT for stock recommendations, and even more are open to try it in the future. Millennials and Gen Z are the leading, of course, in this charge, and over half of them use ChatGPT for investing advices. However, baby boomers remain skeptical. I have just one comment about that. Have you tried that question in ChatGPT? Up to when is your data updated? It tells you that its knowledge cut off in September 2021. So essentially, these people are asking for advices for stock based on information that is at least a year old. But hey, maybe they used some other tricks to feed in data and ask for analysis. If you have some ideas about that, let me know in the comments below. Non-paid promotion. In today's highlight spot, we're featuring, drum rolls, Apptimist Studio. This is a small software company that runs fully remotely around the globe and solves spaghetti code, buggy software, and makes amazing mobile apps. I'm working there, so you can take my word for that. You can visit the website at apptimist.studio and click Contact Us for getting in touch with a real human that will solve your software development pain points. Okay, now let's see the 2 AI tools. Notion AI for projects. You probably have heard about Notion already. It is a powerful tool for organizing your notes, your projects, to-do lists, and even you can use it to create a second brain. They've released its AI copy content writing tool some time ago, but what's new now is that it can fill in the gaps of any table or project description. It automatically generates summaries, action items, project updates, and whatever you need to for your project management. I use it daily, so I can highly recommend it. Notion is free and super cool software, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And second, your AI Insider. This is a personalized AI-powered newsletter that helps you learn new topics and stay on top of the news, discover new books and relevant videos for the topics you choose. That's right, you can fill in whatever topics you want to learn more about or just to follow the news, and the AI is preparing personalized emails each week. And the best part, it's free and there are no ads. I actually use it to source some of the news that I present in this channel. And now, on to the AI art. This art is actually borrowed from your AI Insider, and it's what shows up if one of your interests is sustainable cities. This is quite cool futuristic architecture that shows a lot of nature within the buildings. I think I would like to see more bike lanes instead of roads in a futuristic sustainable city. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and we'll catch up next week. Oh yes, one more thing. Last week I started with this format 3-2-1 and I made another video earlier, so you can check it out and let me know if that's something you like and if you want to see more of. Okay, see you next week. Ciao!